Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Kontrong mau itu ni kontrong di mana? Maflale ko alikudanan kairo kono. Gampang gula ya dina. Mu wajib kontrong kata siarin moyo kuol ke kana no albe nyali mo be jiwero la albe be nyali really okay sa albe moy kan nalbe moy kan ron let me just know natural be moy kan wrong ali en kalam tandala so that sa lonko albe moy kan right because somebody just put in my attention that to my attention that go am I okay now? Is the volume okay before I continue? Because I was using the earpiece. Very good, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Mbadi mo ngal konto momu to ni konto ndi malam bal tentu mbal jeila. Lafta kaku dantan kachal fedron gambe dingolu. And then more especially mol muli alonko they went through the hard times of Germany the past 22 years. Coming aketa kuleti mu yalonko, it was definitely very unexpected. Adama Jeko offering the APRC people to come out and protest in the name of demanding Jammeh to go back to the Gambia. Akeda kuleti mu yalonko Gambia di Jamale disappointa kono. Akeda kuleti mu yalonko ay Gambia di Jamale fanan kamfa. Bar butundung memune kela wole nyindi kayta ndi Gambia di ngol la ko Adama man Gambia la Gambia nol la nyanto dila ninga wofo it doesn't mean ko Adama la pamito di APRC mola wala nyindi ka lo ta Gambia ka Gambia di ngol la nyanto fasa no APRC as a party we are not against in APRC as a party, but we are talking about a president that have brutalized and killed our people, a president that slaughtered, massacred a whole lot of people here. TRRC was going on among me. Everybody heard what happened, what Jammeh did to our people. Ndelemu mira be President Barrow should have stood by the Gambians, the poor victims of the Jammeh, rather than giving permit to his people to demand Jammeh's return in the country. And in fact, I think it doesn't make any sense because there is no dictator that was sent outside his country. I namuru koteka alawo bankokan in demanding of his people to return back to that country. Charles still what happened in Liberia. Chad la president onyemu yalonko yasorong and is currently under custody in Senegal. Ngamoja male jemuli yalonko they were dictators. They killed their people. Wolmu mole tumuli yalonko they are similar to Yajame. Even Yajame is worse than those people. So Kanaka permit the APRC because Adama want to have the support of APRC. Then this is showing that Adama don't like the Gambians. Adama munto wale nyintu ko kalwa famay. Seeing APRC definitely on the streets shouting the name of Jammeh should in fact call the attention of everybody, including the international community, to come in aid of Gambians. Kaitandi lako, look, what we fought is what we are facing now. What we fought the past 22 years is still what we are fighting and still what is existing in our country. Adama Barrow is similar to Yaya Jammeh. In fact, more dangerous than Yaya Jammeh. Because Adama, Jammeh mulkenung, Adama bolde keka. Actually, mbe sanchelo, mbe bullol, so mbe olto thing. So I'm very sorry about if any noise and all that. But the problem is, laughter more understand what Jammeh munkenu. Jammeh was doing his thing secretly. Adama ma time so that because Adama is coming publicly, kaitandiko, he in support of APRC to go out and demonstrate by issuing permit to them. So issuing permit to those people, he doesn't care the feelings of the Gambians. What are we going to feel at the end of the day? And all that. So we have to pay attention. We have to know the responsibility. If not, Adama is going to put the Gambia into a very big mess. And the responsibility, you know, the point is mobe pamanebe munkela and to destroy the country. While you can defend that, not defending it, then you are more responsible than Pamane, in fact, in creating those kind of situations. So Adama nyabala labe tinyaro leke kan Gambians should stand together and fight against Adama's regime to make sure that Adama be kunto Gambia ay bondije. Adama does not care that he fitting in that presidential seat. Adama be ko kunto luolu wole nyinti ko femum bate katandinola, femum bate strondinola, femum bate mutanola wo state house okon. So I mom hot awala ko kunke momon na personally or directly or indirectly atama kalamta. So atabe ko kunto wole nyinti. So this is the point. This is what we have to understand. This is what we have to call. This is what we have to remind our people. The poor people, more especially, the victims of Jammeh, people that were killed. We are very, very saddened when we see people, or when we saw people that said they love Gambia, they stood for Gambia, they fought a dictatorship. Bamba Mas claimed all kind of names. He was calling Jammeh all kind of names. He said his brother is killed by Jammeh. He said he was fighting for his brother. But today, Bamba is still keeping quiet, and his brother is lost. His life is taken by Jammeh. But he is serving in Adama's government. And no Adama Fana Nada calling for Jammeh to come back to this country. What Bamba Mas was calling, if was genuine on him, then be Anyanda Fintila to show out to the Gambians that I fought something, and I fought it together with the Gambians. So whatever it is, I'm going to stand by the Gambians. I am going to always support Molmulialon Koifata, or I'm always going to stand by my brother, because that's what he called. Bambaye Wolefujang. And Mojama Lela Kumomoi. So when Molmulialon they stood by Gambians, they said they were freedom fighters. They see the interests of the country. Biniatra will be sitting. Adama Barrow trying to take what belongs to the Gambians, the little love that we have for each other, trying to put chaos within us. It is very, very scary right now. Kajako Gambia di moli di amta dawda mol katara kamfari nyo hani kumandim fo modo si pare pour ke kelenji. Wobe kunta adama la reji molo kono. Alama mbetan kala bot alam kulle beje muli alon ka nya katinye. Nimman diamu kabiri sa en ko role boy lan kan nga to nya fo nyoy. Alama ale mbetan kala la. Andu ñin mu kulle ti muli an ko Gambia di ngol damal sabondi non kan. Gambia di ngol ne nyanta lola yaje ko kulle beje muli alon ko mol bije adama ye bulo wulindi andu nunto wol malla finunka adama je. Most of these people that are out on the street today calling for Jammeh's name to return back to the Gambia, those are the people that said Adama is not going to be sworn in the country in 2016 or 2017 rather. These are the people. That's why Adama was taken to Senegal to be sworn in another country instead of our own country. Adama could be a lot of laftala. People that stood for him, people that were there with him, people that stood by him. Be wole ketala was enemy because he want to extend his mandate. This is the reason why things are very sudden. But yalo muneng Adama fana nyanta mune understand. No matter what happened, natural peace is not maintained in this country. He will never be a president because now kelo kumande nyimbanko ka civil unrest kumande nyimbanko ka initiating that. The reason why I am saying that Woleng natara adama APRC mol bule tata banta ibe mol nyawalla modol fintite kamfata ini wol dunta nyola. It will be under Adama's responsibility full time because itele pamedi APRC mol pour finti ka jamme tolu kumandi ite mirante pamane jamme na broda fa wala jamme mbama fa wala en fama fa wala en sister rep bi ngaji APRC mol be lori ibe jamme to kumandila pour jamme na finti nan jamme na murna Gambia, living in the Gambia peacefully with the Gambians. Altele yamira woman ki jutoti anim balafa ni nendiro. Adama is insulting the Gambians on daily basis. Adama is insulting Gambians on daily basis. Nyanta kafo bari mbikafo. These are issues mu yalon ko nyanta nga hakilo tuje back. Bari kolle mu yalon ko ni nyanta kafo Gambia dingol modol bije wolika koronto mun ndamali we personally have conflict within ourselves. Nteka mum for this is country's issue and interest. Gambia dingol nyanta lola kanyim fight because femumbe ya lori nyato nyabala nkandale kara la bari ngalo ne kule bije. And ni wo ko nata ate bondilante ko ka ate bondilete ko kan, it's going to directly reflect on us. Because munati na ngawofo, we are living in the Gambia, na family they are living in the Gambia, we are feeding here, everything we have is in this country. Being Alaman Takala Kuoketa, Adama and his people are going to be evacuated. Ibe Bondla, they will be full-time secured. Muneketa Jan during the impasse, Bondi Jane Samba Senegal. The same thing is going to be applied. So if Warul Mulialon Koi Tutajang, what is going to happen? Those people will face the pain. Those people will be those that are going to die. Nyanta nga nyinefo, nyanta nga lo nyinala, nyanta nga hakilo tu nyileto. But no, we will not. Because we all feel ourselves big. I am not going to talk about it. But wallahi, either directly or indirectly, nimko kun create in this country, iba feel lale. Because Gambia doyata le pour ko ke jang intelima feel. Andun kuka nyakati alama ale imbe tankalala. Jammeh and Jammeh's people are on the streets, insulting people, shouting. Jammeh's victims are standing over there. What do you expect from them? What do you expect from Pamane when you or your relative kills his brother or sister? Abe munekelela. Nko alinga lonko. It is our responsibility. This is not a political issue. These are national issues that we have to talk about. These are things muliano ko nyanta nga hakilotu nyanta kang hakilotu nga kuola nyoka nga kuo kacha. Because kule muyalon ko as Gambia dunduno kutole and in Gambia dunna kuto. Ntalibe kanyem politiko mo fonta fola kotake because we will be thinking for peace instead of politics. And in Adama mamma koi abe banko dunna kule to muyalon ko amalobe warla baki and akijafaro fanambe warla baki. So it is our responsibility. It is our responsibility. Ngalon kon telem banko dingolti andu nyanta lola nyimbanko ila pour ka nyimbanko defend. I am so disappointed seeing that Adama has offered, our Adama's administration has offered these people a nonsense permit to go out and protest because they're calling for the return of Jammeh. Of course, APRC is a party, and they also have rights to manifest in this country, but not calling for Jammeh to return back to the country, because Jammeh coming back to the country is not going to create anything than unrest and then amutajang abulajang. So the thing is, what I'm talking about is Gambians have to look at the bigger picture. The bigger picture is mbe munkela fuka Gambia bondi nyimbulu jawol kono. Mbe munekela pour ka Gambia bondi nyimol kono muli yalan ko they are very very selfish. Imam penje na manke da mala nyatu talti. Bankola fanko, anim bankola nyatuta, bankola tenkungo, itali nyate lori woka, bari be mun sotale nyabe lori woleka. Li moy luñu wara wax. Lié lan luñu wara wax. Luñu wara wax moy ñi nga xamantene dañ leen am ay njit te ñu wara taxawal réew mi wara xol réew mi naka lay démé kanam, naka lay amé jamm, naka lay amé security, waye duñ ko def lan lañuy def moy lu leen jëmal kanam ñoñu ak seeni family. That personality conflict of personal ki naka tuddi a gang of people ñi nga xam ne dañ taxaw benn place léegi ñu oote wante ñu toog benn place everything should go through them ñoom ñooy xool naka la ñuy seetoo ay affaire yi nga xamante ne dañu affaire yi réew mi la léegi lu baax si ñoom ñu jël ko lu baax si réew mi ñu sandi ko nko ali nga woo jiibee nañ bàyyi loolu xel bu baax a baax a baax a baax réew mi munu dem kanam fekk ñun dugaluñ si suñ loxo réew mi munu am jaama fekk ñun suñ loxo nekku si réew mi munu dem foo xamante ne ñu foofu lañ bugg a fekk bugg a mu dem fekk ñun taxawuñ si naka la ñuy def ba taxaw si mooy nañ fexe ñi nga xamante ne ñoom ñooy yaaxa réew mi ñoom ñooy yaaxa kaarange réew mi ñoom ñooy yaaxa li nga xamante ne mooy jëmal réew mi kanam ñu jëlee leen fa foo xamante ne foofu lañ toog Adama Barrow ñu ñoo ko toogloo Adama Barrow lu mu am tey ñu ñoo ko jox kon Adama waru fooxee Gambien si war nañ fexe ba Adama mu bañ a fooxee Gambien si Adama should have this fear to face the Gambians and do certain things because he is elected by the Gambians. Everything he is having today is offered to him by the poor Gambians. It's offered to him by poor Gambians that are not even considered in this country. These are things these are things that Gambians have to always put in mind. We have to put our leaders to accountability. We have to remind them of their words. We have to ask them to do something. But butung natrete poso fata doron, you don't care about the rest. Fuarol mulialon ko be fala jana Adama e fuara jelle fa. Adama e mo jelle fa mulialon ko they were feeding those families. Adama e mo jelle fa mulialon ko they were the key to their families. Itelle ko wo family el balundi. Adama nyapite kan ay fajang. Ba mama se mune kumbo jang Basiru Barrow. Wo Basiru Barrow kilingo ya Adama astaghfirullah fenka ya jamile ya fa. Ya jame wo fa mampare folom bamba masi o kumbo ke jang Adam ya jame tata Adama ya tata do ko ayede anyina tala brodal. Where is the love and the respect to the family? When Bamba was calling that Basiru Barrow was his brother, he was taken good care of by Basiru Barrow. He was educated and given all chances to live by Basiru Barrow. Binatra wo Basiru Barrow ya jame wo fa. Nintebe dok nint if I was in Bamba Mas place today, ning Adama ye ya jame kumandi lungo me na pura na Gambia wala pamidi pour APRC ye protest in this country in calling for Jammeh to return. That is the very moment I'm going to resign. That is the very moment I'm going to resign. But Bamba Mas ninatala kamunfonu. Because what is offered, the position that he is offered today. But Bamba Mas ninatala ko this position will go, but the family will always remain. Nde I can decide who to move with. I can decide my friend, who to choose my friend. But I cannot decide who will be my blood. Ala fangole ka woke. So if Bamba Mas decided to stand by Adama, leaving his family behind, is up to him. He said that loud and clear. Andum Bamba ya fo janne mobe nyala. Bamba fangole yafo. Alota janko. Ya jemero dijimo aya kelela ko beke. See, the simple reason is alota ka Gambia dingol fasa tonya balala brother was killed. They were brutally massacred by Jammeh and his gang. TRRC Bamba Mamfintija Nata Kumbota. What kind of tears are those tears? Are they tears of sorrow or tears of joy? These are the questions Nyantanga Mulandi. Look, amanke Adama fango damati bari na wuliya fola na wo wulu kebal muliya lon koy be jannu e ka Gambia to kumandi ka mabo pour yela asylum ol dundino in the name of the Gambia katara jamen kam both day and night, and today they are offered these positions e ke fan kumandi civil servants ola civil servant fo mbike Bamba Mas kamu fo civil servant bika femfo fo mbika ami bojan siso woje wolunga am finti banta ami bojan siso manke civil servant olti. Lami Cham was there. Dusano was there. They are all working on the Barrow in Barrow's administration. Folmanke civil servants already. Where is standing to defend your people? Much more of your own blood. If what Bamba Mas is calling is in him, the truthfulness, the Quran that he is always calling for, and then the bravery, and then the love that he has for his people, his family, and the Gambians. Binyanta tarara Bamba Finti. Ayeta the Gambian Lanko. Ndele mum for nung, amun kele nung. Hanisa imbelori water, and we will always defend the rights of the Gambians. But where is Bamba always there? Nanyanta diamula saying because of na diamula. And the next minute he will come out, play the victim card. I'm so we are not going to listen to what you're telling Gambians. We are going to watch what you are doing, Bamba Mas. Oh yes, we are going to watch what you are doing. Because you're for Gambia dingoli. You're in Gambia dingoli. Most especially when you call your own family a victim of Jammeh. Ya fole Basiru Baro fanyamina. Isita jane on TRRC. Ya fo ya fanyamina. Your own blood. You still serving an administration. Muyalonko is calling for people that killed your own brother. If your brother is not offered justice by Jammeh's administration, you still have the right to go out as a citizen and then stand for your brother to have that justice. Forte Kenol. So you went to those radios, standing on the streets, calling Gambia a name, and then calling Jammeh all kind of names. Kanamur kotake, kawulial dabar, kanalo, kaitandi Gambia dingola wod, altelbe oltonu. Altel barakoli allon di wolto. Ni altel labanko diamu nyineti. Kefan ke iman ke munti. Kefan londi iman tala londi damintu. Very shameful. Barbutundu baro sinamuru ko ay lo Gambe dingolla ay namal du nyokono ay nabanko tinya. Because these people don't care. Ibe haina. Every Friday evening, ikaboni jane ita Senegal. Nidada Senegal ila bungol na lolu ne pareta ni Gambia ko hukudore be kata si Senegal. Do you all know that? So who is going to feel the pain until fuarol? Dindingol ni na musol. Faltel bi ko to jibe bang. Ko musol lebe mbuli nyimbanko ka dindingol le bije. Gambanko la sama alfal. So you would not care. Wo banko idum problème ko no because altel laftala la ko da may betea. Bari ñim bala fa warta baati. Ite ko e mun kele num bi nyaabe wala yesi ngolo wakang because iman la fi kafo parce que la ko be betearin. Because that means you were fighting because you had nothing in your pockets. Bamamas, you definitely surprised me. I thought you were someone I could have looked upon. I thought you are someone I could have looked at. Kabirin people started talking to me. You are one of those that I definitely admired. You were one of those that I definitely loved and took as my own brother. I listened to your advice. I took you very seriously. I thought you were genuine. All you were saying was very, very genuine. But before anybody going out, you should have been the first person. Look, your administration is not doing what you have to do. APRC should not be granted a permit to go out and protest. But demanding Jammeh to come back to the Gambia, Altaramira woman Kenyan Juroti. Altaramira Mantara Gambia no Nenkang, including Atodum from Bamamas himself. Adama Barola administration of the Gambia no Nenkane, calling for Jammeh to come back to the Gambia. This is the reality. This is what we have to say. But in Tafola, parce que mobile after la poso kulia. Ntafola, parce que malafi Adama ye jibe duma. Ntafola, because you want to get closer to Adama. We forgetting that we have a country to build. We forgot that we have a nation. We forgot that we have kids that are going to be the future of this country. If this country is destroyed, it is our responsibility. Sama ka itandi gola ko ntelle ya tinya nyimbanko. Anyen rawola. But we do not care. Because in Kasi official lokono dami yalonko, poor people are feeding us. They are paying our air condition. Fonyo dima ben fela. Still in wo fuarolu. We will not care what they are going to face in the future, but we will sell their future and their kids the future of this country. Parce que ntel lafta na koli betea. Ni mu yedde man dingo soto yela dingol ci kay samba banta. Wo fuarol be damento nu ya try albe ko be try la ye muruje ko take. Just to dogo you. Alta kalam tara ko they are existing. Natara carte fayo mansi. Mul yalan ko they said they love the Gambia. Where is Suntu Toure? Suntu ka fon tele ko tel mu Gambia din kendo letu numbi e kunu bari bi ntelle wosta ka Gambia mu me beti, because we do not support the ideology they have. We do not support standing for your family and forgetting the rest of the Gambians, when Gambians belong to everybody. Kabondi fuaro laleng ite mu fuaro te mu fankamade. We are all Gambians. We should be equal in this country. Bari bika woje barola mol kata lori ne drong ite la koli betea. Anything that have to be given to the poor people, they do not care. Ite la koi betea drong. This is very, very heartbreaking. Bari mbe kukili na fola. Nte my message is bamamasi alonko. Our family is always there looking up on him. I fend for Muyalonko. I better record lokono for Jan Luminate from Tiebe Koila, Abe Lala, Ibe Kasanke Kelala ya dundi wodin kokon. Because he promised that to his family. He promised that to Basiru Baro. Ko whatever it takes him, Abe Justice Samala Kalandi Tabuloka. For Basiru Woli Munkela. Dunia Be Alonko Manyana Kele. What is Bamba doing today? What have Bamba said so far? Since when this permit is offered to APRC? Because simply he wants to secure his job, forgetting that he had a family, forgetting that he promised somebody that justice is always going to be there for them. Let's call a spade a spade. Let's say the fact and die once. Yes. Natara mallo na bankoe mbelola mfangole. And in not family, na banko is going to sink. And in banko boy don't tell you boy. Oh yes, this is the reality. Yo muno defar rew nga baye domi rew mi. Pour rew defaru da nga defar domi rew mi. Pour domi, because rew mom su deme domi rew mi moko yobu. Why Bamba faté na ni pour wax ñi nga xamantene man I am not here to castigate anybody. For me, I have definitely passed that stage. I'm not going low to that extent anymore. But in my for my feelings, just to remind, it's just a reminder that Bamba have to understand that this is what he said. We have it on records. Bamba said it on several occasions. He came out on Facebook Lives crying about the demise of his family, his brother, people that were killed by Jammeh, the reason why he fought against Jammeh's regime, the reason why he stood for with Gambians to fight a dictatorship for 22 years. Be not the same thing is happening, and Bamba is still keeping quiet. Then it is our obligation to come and remind Bamba what he said. Oh yes, oh yes. In fact, it's going to be a handpick. We are going to make it a handpick. Kana Bamba Noma, Kafai ko look, you said this. And then we want you to remind, with due respect, we are reminding you this because you said it. You said your family, the victims of Jammeh, and your own brother is included in those victims. I have nothing against Bamba Mas, absolutely nothing. I don't know Bamba Mas. In fact, I do not want to know him. But the fact is, we have to say the truth. When you say you are fighting for the interest of the country, you should abide by whatever come and it doesn't comply with the law, with the situation that you are fighting. Hako. Ha. natara bamba ko atelota gambe dingol le ka gambe dingol la nyanto fight kalo gambe dingol ye mol mul yalon ko they were killed, they were brutally some of those people were slaughtered. Mbari muso jelle mul yalon ko ye lanyo ya manyena kela bi ni jamme nata ja wolbe jamme je no la nyaadile people that tortured and killed those people nyake la le katata tama kan siloli kan adama la administration no nyaabile bi ka femfo adama la administration no nyakatara wollale they could have ni parete ya munke despite I never supported whatever killer is those in this country, but killer is katara killer is sorong inyabe fenkala nakatudati that man who killed and then confessed in TRC ko mo tanani mo nani fa in a single day yo bulabe tamaka ika killer is sorong alko wole luwati banko alko wole benyim Gambia sambala nyato. You get youth that only speak their mind when you have killers, murderers that kill at least 40 or beyond a single day. You release them walking on the streets. And then you just turn around and kill very, very young Gambians that are only fighting for the freedom of their country. This is what you call development. This is what you said you want this country to go forward. This is why Jammeh was taken out of this country when we said change, because we want the better one. Natara Adama regime is worse than Jammeh's. Then we prefer Jammeh to come back than Adama staying in this country. Natara Adama ala regime is worse than Jammeh. Then we prefer Jammeh to come back and rule this country for another 22 years than Adama being in that office. Fenka Oya something. That Oya Malong Oya Jallo. How many people he confessed killing? More than 50 something people. Omar Oya Jallo. Oh yeah, Omar Oya Jallo. How many people he confessed killed in this country? More than 50 people. Sama abia haina femantara kiringala. Alika kila esoron. Alika soron mune kama. Because I think that dronga ko ye sunyaro ke nyini. What am I atin alba sorona? When you have murderers that kill over 50 something people, you seeing them walking on the streets? Laughing at those people that they raped and tortured. This is what you definitely call a development of a nation. This is why you said justice be given to those that deserve it. Gambia nola ali fonyo chahanola. When you want to build a nation. When you want to build a nation, you have to be factual. You have to be realistic. You have to call on you have to show people that what I am saying I mean it, and I'm going to stand by it. Abalafa warata back. I don't know if we have to give up or still continue fighting this thing, because when you lay your life on the street, believing to give you your country the best, and then you turn around and see that what you fought was better than what you so far achieved, it's somehow very, very, it's crazy anyways. But butundum nimmalong nyantalo na nyami na den at the end of the day nyinda male bekela bari lafta bamba masiye na kumomoy, lafta bamba masiye lomfe, lafta fanam bamba ya lonko nka mumbe kila manke ko nka kele ndamale, nka mumbe kele is his family is definitely included. His family is among those that we are fighting for. I Mumbe Fujang, everybody felt it. The day Bamba brought his tears on Facebook Live, I have to be honest, I cried because Ngamira Bambala age bedaminto sitting on Facebook Live crying. It most definitely means something to him. But it's not the same Bamba Masleje today that Jammeh is recalled back in this country. And then, you know, the APRC was offered the permit by the administration, the government that he is serving. What I expected was to honor himself and then to save his credibility is to resign and enjoy the Gambians to continue the fight. Because we have a whole long way to go. When Adama is not removed in this country, Gambia was in more safe hands than today. Kujamalle beke kan Gambia. Iko kumo futata dala bika fono. Nyantang hakilo tula muli yalon ko beke kan Gambia nga dua Gambia ntelbe ngambulo la. Momo yalon ko salte dukare bulo la. Let Allah continue to maintain and reign peace in this country. Because Kujamalle beke kan modol bije wala after Cairo la ba modol bije they do not care because itelle bije no bi mantaraje whatever comes they do not care. So nyilmu kulete muli yalon ko yaji be na living situation ol fangol be nyamin. So mbe lola Gambia di mon balbe danila mom yalon ko be nyim video jibe ka dukare mom alon da sorry da mum be mbe fresco lebe 9 west da mum be jabila mom alon bari mbe mun kala bi wala momu yalon koy salta dukare yebulo la ala dani ala ma ale Cairo nin tempo jidi nyim banko kan because Gambia kada nyamina natara man nu nyola man kumo mabo. A situation is very very critical and ku jamal be ke kamu yalon ko we do not ko ku yaja ka wolu ni modol be kacala just to coming ka kundin sunya dron akonye pa actually from Mandala and to be honest womu police SIS officer le woti akonye pa kai nam akonye na so dabe sirimbe atala akonye ko you know there is something that I've seen kaya akonye ko what happened in todum fam 1981 akonye wolle be kuru kan akonye 1981 commencé den diamu mesengo jamuta dron fokku ko inata akonye mo jama fat mo jama lost their life la akonye Gambia dun ta ku jamale ko akonye ko andu nemma hakilotu 1981 te kala wonya ma beta sibul wole initial landa maltema konye jolal be diamu kam mandin kol be diamu kan nyindol be diamu kan iba mo adam ba fula jana adam ko bebe dundi nyoto andu wo police officer tinga tonya fo nyoy men wol mo police officer leti wol yalo mune be kering wol yalo ko nyimbanko tonya am stable because kol mun be kekan adama nyanta lola ka banko bondi wo bulu sifal ko nata adama make sign jamale bakela look, let's all pray that may Allah protect this country from everything that mbesilaringala in the Gambia. Because adiamo Seattle, to be honest, and until we just have the fear that we can diamo for more especially. So let's maintain peace in this country. But we do not expect APRC be issuing a permit to go out and demanding Jammeh to return back to the country. But Jammeh is not the kind that is going. Adama said it in 2017, beginning of 2017, that we cannot sit here with Jammeh because he is a threat to the nation, the security of the nation. Adama family have. So less than 3 years because he want to satisfy APRC to return back Jammeh to the country so that he can be given another term. Adiamo belabanda siala until we are afraid ko ku jamali sikeno alama ala imbetan kawola but butundum Adama can continue what he has to do, but it is our responsibility as Gambians not to let Adama do what he wants to do to us. And ngadiamu na koto kiel fanay bamba mas dukarembe danla. Your brother is killed. You owe your brother something. You owe him a big one for that matter. Your brother Abesiringela Bejibe can be, what is going to be your reaction? This is what I'm going to tell you. I'm not talking to you as somebody who hates you. I would not even have time to do that because I do not know who Bamba is. I don't know. So Kamala, I don't think I have any time to hate Bamba or whatever. Nsimunkeno be willing advising. All I'm doing is advising Bamba and reminding him of his old words. And then I think I am also entitled to it. Though I don't think I have to insult him or tell him anything that he will feel otherwise. But Kaitandala for his family. Atala promise ko he will stand by his brother. And Mumbe Kedim B. Not that his brother was alive. A promise is a promise. And more ikalone ika forolong ala kangolekang. So this is all I'm going to say. Mbegambe non beten tulambal jaila. Bafulale ko ala baraka.